This is very simple example of one assignment problem. In this example, our aim is to minimize the cost. Basically, transportation problem and assignment problem are used for minimization of cost or minimization of time. Correct? Now in this example, there are 4 operators and 4 tasks. We have to assign 4 tasks to 4 operators. That means 1 task per operator. Now we will follow the Hungarian algorithm. Step 1, see whether the problem is balanced or unbalanced. Now here there are 4 columns, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 4 rows. 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows are there. Now in this case there are 4 columns and 4 rows, so that this one is the balance problem. Go to the second step, row reduction. Identify the smallest row element. Now in this case we will see 13 is the smallest, 15 is the smallest, in third row 17 is the smallest, and in fourth row 12 is the smallest. Now just subtract this element from the corresponding row element, that is 20 minus 13, 7, 28 minus 13, 15, 19 minus 13, 6, 13 minus 13, 0, like this. You will get this matrix, row opportunity cost matrix, after row reduction. Now after this step number 2, go to step number 3, that is column reduction. Now in column reduction we have to identify the smallest column element. Now here 0 is smallest, second column 14, third column 6, fourth column 0. You just have to subtract the smallest element from corresponding column element, like 7 minus 0, 7, 0 minus 0, 0, 23 minus 0, 23, like this, 9 minus 0, 9, 15 minus 14, 1, 15 minus 14, 1, 14 minus 14, 0, like this, 16 minus 14, 2. Similarly, all other columns, you will get this matrix. Now step number 4, we have to draw vertical or horizontal lines to cover all the zeros. Now see the first row. In first row there are 2 zeros, okay? This and this one, just ignore it. In second row, yes, 1 0 is there, just put a square mark on it and draw a odd vertical line. Now in row number 3 there are 2 zeros, just ignore it. Row number 4, yes, 1 0 is there, put a square mark and draw a vertical line. Now there are 2 assignments, 1 and 2. Go for column scanning. Now you will see first column is already covered, so that go to the second column. Now in second column, yes, one assignment can be made. Put a square mark and draw a horizontal line passing through it. Correct? Now in third column, 1 0 is located. Draw a square mark and put a square mark and draw a horizontal line on it. Right? This is also covered. Now in step number 5, check whether number of allocations or number of lines, you see 2 vertical, 1, 2, 2 horizontal, 1, 2, 4 by 4, correct? Now if you found this, that means optimality is reached. The solution is now optimal solution. You just have to identify the total value of the matrix. Now from this matrix you can see A should be assigned to operator number 3, B to operator number first, C to second, and D to fourth operator. Just put the values, corresponding values, because we found the optimal solution. Now A to 3 is there, you can see A to 3, 19, then B to 1, 15, and C to 2, 21, and D to 4, 12. Just put the values here, do the summation of this, you will get the final answer. This is the final answer, rupees 67.